Can you make smashburgers on the Ninja Woodfire? You betcha.
What's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be doing smashburgers on my recent new grill, the Ninja Woodfire. This is the Pro XL, but it's not the Connect version, so it's the bigger size but without the Connect. We've got some chuck steak, also in the UK it's called braising steak. Local farm shop asked them to mince up a kilo. These are 120 grams each. Got some American cheese to melt on top, and we're going for some bones sucking sauce steak seasoning rub for the seasoning. So I'm using some parchment paper to make the smashing easier. Don't forget to use the silicone shiny side. Here's my helpful assistant. So when it's come up to 10, it will say add food. So I'm going to get these patties on, get them smashed, get some seasoning on, and then wait for the magic to happen. So I've smashed them on. Now time to add some seasoning. Smells incredible. I don't want to go too hard on the seasoning because I don't tend to use seasoning in my rubs. So now I'm just waiting for the top of those to start showing myoglobin. It basically looks like blood, and that shows to me when you're looking for these edges to crisp up. So, see, 2 or 3 minutes or so. This one I don't think I've smashed quite as well as I should have done. And overall, with the smashing, I probably need to start further back here so they don't meet in the middle. That's all good. It's a learning curve. So that's the kind of colour we're getting. So that's beautiful. So we've got some vegan cheese on this side. I'm going to get my cheese on and I'm going to shut the lid to melt it. So that's it, stacked up, 2 patties, we've got bacon, we've got some jalapenos, more of that burger sauce. Off we go.